So again, with Trucking Wins, I want to get more and more in here. I'm going to do a training session on how to fill out a paper log. And then you could use that as part of your orientation of your driver when you hire him. You say, listen, man, you got to watch this 15-minute video on how to fill out a paper log, right? And what you could also do with Trucking Wins in that scenario is, let's say he runs for 7 months. Then he calls you and says, hey, my device malfunctioned. I got to fill out a paper log. All right, dude, I'm going to send you a 15-minute video from Trucking Wins. I want you to watch it so he can refresh your memory on how the hell to do this right. You get it? So as we go, we're just going to continue to add things like this, valuable training, because where do you get it? You can't even get it anywhere. It's just, it's hard for a trucker. I think it's very difficult to navigate this for a guy like you with, 1-2 years running the business, It
is.
Are you ready to win at the game called trucking? Then you need to watch this entire video. John Seidel here. I used to be a DOT inspector, FMCSA investigator, hazmat agent, and an Army veteran. And I've discovered what I call Trucking Wins method, where you can win at the game called trucking, even in a recession. Why would I show you this method? Because I'm sick and tired of the government putting you down and holding you back. It's sad, but I remember auditing a family-owned trucking company and giving them a bad conditional rating, $50,000 fine, and other violations. Now, I knew it wasn't my job to help them, but I also knew that they would likely go bankrupt or lose major customers if I didn't help them. So I sat down with the owners and explained what they did wrong and what they needed to do to make it right. Then I spent the next 12 months meeting with them, coaching them through the Trucking Wins method. After a lot of hard work on both sides, the company came back stronger than ever from that conditional rating, got their $50,000 fine removed, lowered their insurance rates over time by 60%. That company is still profitable today, and I consider them great friends, and they owe it to the Trucking Wins method. It's just one example. I have trucking clients and customers all over the country, and they're all profitable, even during recessions, because they follow this Trucking Wins method. And I'm going to teach you this method during a free online event you can attend, and all you got to do is click the button on your screen. Lower your insurance rates, pass your inspections, lower your CSA scores, increase profits. That's what everybody wants. All you got to do is click on the button. We'll see you there.